sheriff would push you to create a more just system. The past summer, my grandson became involved with a good justice system because of a prank call at the beginning of summer school. He gave a friend his phone to use. The friend called the police and played a prank. He gave they went to court, and my daughter asked for them to play the tape of the call so she would know that it wasn't her son on the phone, and they refused to. Instead, they put an ankle monitor on him without evidence that was him on the phone calls. He's a good kid. He doesn't get into any trouble, but they treated him like he was a bad child. He got very depressed and closed in his room, himself in his room. Other kids was looking at him because of the monitor. And even at church, the older members called a meeting for me and my grandson to meet with them about the ankle monitor. But they wanted to counsel him, not knowing what had happened, but still. After I explained to them, they still wanted to talk to him about it and be a mentor for him. It's been very tough for him, and he felt isolated from school and his friends. Thankfully, to do his work at home, he passed summer school, but this situation has made it very difficult for him to succeed, and he continues to close himself up in his room. We are still trying to deal with the impact of this experience. Going to jail shouldn't have been involved in the system alone. Our family did much more harm than good. We didn't feel as we were treated fairly by the police, or like they really wanted to get an understanding of what happened. A prank call shouldn't have led as if it were a crime. Young people's brains are fully developed and they still struggle with decision making and judgment. But nowadays we don't take the opportunity to let the kids teach them. We just stick them in the system. We should be giving them tutoring and mentors and help them focus on education. Instead, we are taking everything away from them. This is why I have been involved in my church and my community, giving my school supplies, backpacks, and clothes to our youth. Our youth need to stay connected to the community so that they can stay focused and go the right way. They need support, not punishment. We also need out-of-state leaders to ensure that our education system and other social systems recognize and support young people, no matter the color, out of their skin and their development. I'm asking that you do everything in your power and as a member of the commission to change the system for the better. Thank you for allowing me to say what I think we should start doing for our youth. Thank you.